is going on, guys? It's Saturday down here in Florida. It's about 75 degrees. It's supposed to get up to about 80 today. Beautiful day. This morning, first thing, I'm gonna get the van cleaned out. Joys of having kids, they always leave stuff in there, but hey, they're kids, so that's why I drive older vehicles. Couldn't imagine having an $80,000 Yukon and then having your kids leave trash and spill drinks and stuff in it. I'd probably freak out a little bit more, but so cleaning out the van. Just wanted to show you guys something real quick, and so I was cleaning out the van, and of course back in the 90s everybody smoked, so I had a bunch of ashtrays back here that all popped out, so there was an open hole. So guess what kids do is they take stuff and shove it down into the holes. So they reach down in there and pull out all the junk they've shoved in there. Kind of tore up my arm a little bit, but all kinds of wrappers and toys and all kinds of stuff, but you know, not really their fault. So what we're gonna do is I saved some of this rubber matting. I'm gonna cut it to size and cover up this back hole right here, so that way they can't shove stuff in there. And then right here a cup holder goes. Also, I bought some spray foam, so I'm gonna spray foam in these, because what happens is sometimes when you go over bumps, it's almost like a big speaker box. It's real hollow, so it echoes throughout the whole van. Kind of drives me crazy a little bit. So I'm gonna insulate all these panels on both sides. See, I pulled that other panel off too, so be pretty cool. At least that way it'll deaden the sound down a little bit. So if you got one of these conversion vans and it makes a lot of noise back here, I pulled these panels off. They're all hollow. There's no insulation in there or anything, so if you get a lot of noise that, you know, drones over the whole back of the van when you hit bumps sometimes, that's more than likely what it is. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. But some other exciting stuff. Got a package in the mail, and check it out, see what it is. Alright guys, so you guys have been subscribing and supporting me. No, I didn't buy a GoPro. I gotta buy some more car parts, so it's pretty good reviews on this camera. So I'm gonna try it out. It's waterproof, HD. Hoping to buy a couple of these. You know, they're inexpensive, and want to get my roof rack for the van. So I'm working on that this week. Pricing them out and stuff, so if I get the roof rack, I want to mount a couple up there, so when I go to events and stuff, I'll have a couple of cameras on top of the van. That'll be pretty sweet, I think. Comment below, let me know what you think. Card, it's got all kinds of accessories they give you. It's not too bad. I think it was like 89 bucks shipped, so versus a GoPro, $400, so figured it was worth a shot. But yeah, so get that going this week. Hopefully get some more videos uploaded for you guys. I just wanted to do a quick video on that. Hopefully get the van cleaned up and get on to doing something this week. There was a car show over in Longwood, a Mustang meet. I don't know if I'll be able to make it. It ends at 4 o'clock, so it depends on how long this takes me and how long it takes to get all the kids ready and ready to go. So appreciate everybody watching. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel up there in that corner, put some more video links up here in this corner, and hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. See you on the next video.